Opposition can be the fire that tempers the bitter sword. With this beautiful thought, welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by picking a specific rule of the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. So friends, I have a question for you. Do you think that the word opposition always signifies or always implies something bad? No. If we can take some examples, for example, in our country, we can say that a strong opposition is a necessary safeguard for democracy. Not alone in our country, it is applicable to many more democratic countries as well. So, with taking this thought, let us proceed how this thought is applicable in our rule, that is patent rules. Okay, let us proceed. Now, again the old slide of the first lecture. Okay, so here we can see a relation has been established between a form, a section and a rule. And we can see that the form is form number 7 whose title is Notice of Opposition. The section is section 25 whose title is Opposition to the Patent, and the rule is rule 55A whose title is Filing of Notice of Opposition. Now I think you can find out the keyword very easily. This is opposition. Okay, so the keyword here is opposition, and that's why in my first slide I have discussed a little about its literary meaning, giving an example. Fine. So here let us see how that thought is applicable in patent rules. Okay. So here we can see that form 7 is about notice of opposition. Fine. And section 25 is opposition to the patent. Rule 55A is filing of notice of opposition. So we can say that all the three things are revolving around a particular keyword, that is opposition. Fine. So now we will see what is opposition to the patent and why it is necessary. Okay. So let us proceed to the next slide. Okay. So we are going to discuss about a specific rule, that is rule 55A, whose title is filing of notice of opposition. Okay, and it comes from chapter 6, that is opposition proceedings to grant of patents. Okay, that means a patent is granted. Okay, actually later you will know that there are two types of oppositions. One is pre-grant opposition, one is post-grant opposition. Okay, opposition to a patent. So those things we will discuss later. Let us proceed in this rule first. Okay. Okay. Okay, so actually this rule, that is rule 55A, has no sub rules. That's why I have mentioned here that keyword of rule 55A. So what is the keyword? The keyword is notice of opposition. Fine, let us proceed. 55A has the title Filing of Notice of Opposition. Okay, and actually friends, it has no sub rules. Okay, and this one is a very small rule we can say. So let me read it. The notice of opposition to be given under subsection 2 of section 25 shall be made in form 7 and sent to the controller in duplicate at the appropriate office. Okay, so here we can see subsection 2 of section 25. What is section 25? Section 25 is opposition to the patent. Okay, and what is form 7? This is notice of opposition. Okay, so friends, actually section 25 deals with the opposition to the patent, but it actually deals with two types of oppositions. First one is pre-grant opposition, that means before the patent is granted, and the second one is post-grant opposition, that means after the patent is granted. Fine. So here, let me tell you one thing also. Subsection 1 of section 25 deals with pre-grant opposition and subsection 2 of section 25 deals with post-grant opposition. And here, as we can see here that subsection 2 of section 25 is mentioned. That means we are talking about the post-grant opposition. Fine. So now let me read it so that you can get the idea. Okay, the notice of opposition, that means a notice will be given, which is, we can say, it is a, that means the base is opposition. A notice whose base is opposition. A notice is given under subsection 2 of section 25. How the notice will be given? It will be made via form 7. Okay, so after making the notice, it is sent to the controller in duplicate. Okay, and at the appropriate office. So now you can ask me, what is an appropriate office? Actually, the appropriate office may be the patent head office or any branch office, or there are some criteria which can be mentioned as per rule 4. Let me tell you something about the post-grant opposition in very brief words. Okay, grant of the patent can be opposed within 1 year from the date of publication. The opponent delivers a copy of the notice of opposition to the patentee along with statements and facts. A patentee may contest opposition within 2 months. Opponents may file evidence in reply within 1 month. Opposition board is set up which submits its recommendations within 3 months, and then hearing and notification of decision is made. So actually I have just told you about the post-grant opposition very briefly. We will uh, go into detail while we discuss about section 25. Okay friends, so let us in this way we can say actually rule 55A is completed. The reference is the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. So dear friends, I hope you must have liked it. So I insist, please share your views, your compliments, your comments, your queries in the comment box. Okay, and keep interacting, keep learning. Thank you so much. God bless you. Jai Hind.